Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you guys a super awesome project which is called OmniRoute. So this is a unified platform for all providers. So if you use Claude, use OpenAI, use Ollama, or any providers, this is a one platform that you can just plug in and use one unified endpoint to access all your providers, including free tiers and paid tiers, so on and so forth. So this is an awesome product, and you can see that there's already about 33K stars. So people really like this project, and in today's tutorial, we're going to show you guys how to use it, how to install it step by step on Kaggle. So it's 100% free, so no string attached. So that being said, let's get started. So if you look at the README here, so there's a pretty good introduction of how it looks like, and it claims to be the free AI gateway. So it is a gateway. So you have one endpoint you can use to plug into your system. You can then use all your providers automatically routed. And you can see that this is basically the free tokens you can save per month according to the documentation. And also you can see there's #1 repository of the day. And also, there is different methods it supports, right? So it says there's 19 strategies. This is how they automatically route your traffic to a specific provider. So you can look through the description to see how they route it, but everything should be automated. So really nice project. So once you'll be able to clone this repo, I'm going to show you guys how to install this step by step. So this is on Kaggle, so they have GPUs. You do not have to use GPUs in this case. You can just use the regular CPU environment. And then first you have to install the NPM for Node.js, right? So Node.js has a requirement for bigger than 24. So Node.js has to be a little bit newer. So make sure you install like above 24. Then you can also install 25 in this case. Then after that, make sure you check out the version. Now the version is 25. And after that, make sure you also install Nginx and start Nginx. And then you can actually cd to the OmniRoute after you clone it, and then do npm install. After that, because this is on Kaggle, so you do need a terminal, and just install local terminal, which is the easiest in this case. Make sure that you route everything to a local file so that you can actually check out the link. So this is the link we're using, hot.pic, and then you can make sure that you get a password for this terminal. So after that, you just have to make sure that you configure the Nginx. So this is the Nginx configuration that we use. So it's very straightforward. Make sure you route your traffic to port 2128, and then make sure you route the streaming port, which is WebSocket port, to the 2132. So that's it. And then after that, make sure also you set up the OmniRoute environment. So everything should be default, but make sure you copy the public URL, which you just set up for the local terminal, to all these places, max public base URL. And then you can also use the next public live WebSocket public URL. Make sure you use this WSS for this specific entry. And after that, you also have to configure the other places. Make sure all the places that they use the 2128 port. So that means that there's something has to be changed, which means this one is base URL, or this is base URL for the public terminal URL. Then also you have to set the next public base URL. So I think that's it. So this is all you have to do with the configuration. Also make sure if you run this on production, just check out the initial password, because you do need to log in to the terminal provider. So this is the password, initial password. So you'd have to change it. So when you load the project, once you load the project, make sure you copy this password so you can log into this platform. So this is a platform, already set everything up. So after everything is ready for the configuration, then you can actually go to the folder, which is the original OmniRoute folder. Make sure you do a npm run build. So it does require some memory. So make sure you have a memory, maybe 10 gigs or 20 gigs. So Kaggle provide 30 gigs free memory. You can use that. So just run that npm run build. You should be able to build a production build. You do need production build on Kaggle. Make sure you run that. The dev probably have some problems, and then you can check out if the build ID is ready. So you can see that build ID is ready, meaning the build is successful. Then after that, make sure you just run npm run start. This is why you need a production build. And then you can see that everything is spin up. So you can then access your local terminal, which we spin up publicly, so that you can see that everything is spin up correctly. So if you have a provider you want to set up, then you can go to the provider section and add your provider. In this case, we just add Ollama. We can add Grok. You can add other providers. So this is probably a easiest way to test it. You can also add a lot of providers. They do have a lot of providers set up already. So you can see that there's Kimi Code, there's Amazon, there's Claude Code, Cline, and there's anti-gravity. There's also other like different projects, different platforms. You can just use your API to connect and auth to connect. So this is actually going to integrate all of that providers and route through all different requests to these providers based on your specific use case automatically. So this is really, really cool. And so you don't need to worry about which provider you have to switch. So basically this OmniRoute does everything for you and you can just relax. So super nice project. You can see how many providers I already have. So this one we have for Ollama. It's just for demo purpose. You can add all the providers that you have or you prefer. So I think there's maybe 296 providers. Super nice. So again, so this is very easy to set up. If you do not have a provider, you don't need to worry about it either. So they do have a free models tier. So you can see, you can go to the v1/models. Then you can actually check out the providers in here. So all the different providers they already integrated. So there's also interesting. There's also Cdance VO 3.1. That's awesome. And also there's also like the different providers, including I think MiniMax. And there's like GLM, they're also included. So super awesome project. You can also try this for 100% free. It's on Kaggle. So you do not even have to purchase a virtual private machine. So, and let's try it out. So after everything is spin up, and you can try out some of the examples that provided in the README. For example, if you specify the model as auto, so this is basically the URL that we spin up using the local terminal as an example. So you can see that if you choose the auto, let's say hello in one short sentence, then you can check out the response. For example, this is auto. So they pick up one model. They will pick up one model. For example, they can pick up random models. So we do have a one for the MiniMax. They can also pick up other ones that listed in their free tiers. So let's wait a little bit. You can see that. So they choose the model as the FELO chat. So the content, let's see the content. The content is, okay, they didn't actually respond exactly like how it worked. They do have a exclamation mark, but they do pick up an automatic model. So let's try again, and then we try another one. So this is very automated. You can see that sometimes they choose a model like North Mini Code Free. So you can see there's sometimes they choose this one, but sometimes they choose the other one. And if you specify a model, which is, for example, MiniMax M3, they will just use that specific model you pick. So if you want to actually set up something like a customized model, you might also want to configure the name of the prefix. What I mean by that is basically they use a name and also the prefix. So when you use a customized model, they do need a prefix. For example, if you want to use the Ollama MiniMax M3, so you have specified the prefix and then the name of the model. So, and that's it. So let's try this one. So again, just show you guys how this actually looks like. So just run the MiniMax 3 and let's try it. So. So you can see that MiniMax 3 also responded with the hello, hope you have a nice day. Hope you have a great day. So that's it. So this is how you install and use OmniRoute. Hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.